Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss which is better. Is it Lmnt or Flavcity? Let's begin. Okay, so both Lmnt and Flavcity Electrolytes are popular electrolyte drink mixes designed to replenish electrolytes lost through sweating and physical activity. While both serve a similar purpose, there are differences between the two that we are going to explore today. Okay, so let's begin with Flavcity Electrolytes. It's created by Bobby Parrish, right? It focuses on delivering essential electrolytes but might have a different formulation in terms of specific electrolyte quantities and additional ingredients, all right? So the first thing you need to do is basically go to their official website. They have different flavors for you to choose from. Let's go with their products right now. We hover to all products right here. Okay, now from here you can choose any bundles you wanted, like a protein smoothie. You have like 5 different flavors. You can pick any 4. That's the immunity bundle, right? So I'm right now my favorite is the proteins fanatics bundle, which is $259. All right, but if you're a fan of smoothies, why not try the vanilla protein smoothie and the chocolate peanut butter? So right now I'm using cafe mocha protein, so the taste can be a little bit tolerating. They also have a different products for immune support, you know, like the see you later vitamin C, immunity elderberry, and the immunity lemon ginger, and the triple threat supplement. They also have superfoods lemonades right here, and some for keto genic diet, which is the hot chocolate salted peanut butter. They also have the special products. When you click on the about section, you would see the reason why Bobby Parrish, right, amassed a community of followers that is now more than 12 million strong across the digital platforms. All right, you can check the website. Maybe they have like discounts these holidays. All right, now moving forward, if you have watched our comparison videos with other Lmnt, basically, this is created by Rob Wolf. It's known for its emphasis on providing essential electrolytes without added sugars or fillers. So they are very transparent on what's inside the Lmnt knows. Right, sodium, magnesium, and potassium. Right, so there's no sugar. Right, no gluten, and no dodgy ingredients. All right, and you can check the products. I believe they have the AG1. If I'm not mistaken, they have the AG1 bundle right here. Oh no, not AG1, sorry. The Lmnt bundle, this one. So if you click get yours, you will be directed to a new page. All right, you can click any flavor to add into your bundle. Box 1, box 2, box 3, and bonus. All right, you can select 4 more. It's gonna be like choosing between a one-time purchase of 135 or subscribe and save. That's gonna be 117. Okay, so here's a side-by-side comparison for each. Now, as we all know, Lmnt users might find the limited flavor range less appealing, all right, compared to other brands that offer a wider variety of taste. Now, basically, if you ask me, taste is very subjective, right? So some individuals might find the taste or lack of sweetness in Lmnt's products not as appealing as other electrolyte drink options. Now, depending on your location, accessibility to Lmnt products might be limited, all right, especially outside certain regions or countries. Now, for Flavcity, some people might prefer products without added sweeteners or flavorings, because Flavcity Electrolytes, like many similar products, might contain natural or artificial sweeteners to enhance taste. For individuals sensitive to certain sweeteners or looking to avoid them altogether, this could be a drawback. Now, the cost of Flavcity Electrolytes could be a concern for some individuals, especially if they are comparing it to other similar products in terms of quantity, quality, and price. Now, depending on where you live, availability might be limited again because not all products are universally accessible, so finding Flavcity Electrolytes might be a challenge in certain regions. Now, in conclusion, alright, when choosing between the two, you have to consider your specific needs, taste preferences, and any dietary restrictions or preferences you might have, because some individuals might prefer one brand over the based on taste, ingredient transparency, or electrolyte composition. It's always a good idea to check the ingredient list and nutritional information to ensure they align with their health goals and preferences. And if you have especially any medical conditions or concerns, consulting a healthcare professional before introducing new supplements is recommended. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.